Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your brother. Assalamu alaikum. Before I start anything else, I just want to say salam alaikum. Mini ice cream. Okay, before we give ice cream, before I start to giving ice cream, I would like to inform you that this month offer Happy Meal promotion or for the kids meal toys freebies in Happy Meal in McDonald's for this month. This is the new offer and the new promotion of Kids Meal Toys. No other than FIFA Collection. The FIFA Collection is now available starting today, June 10, in McDonald's. So what are you waiting for? Let's go and collect them all! Before anything else, no, I know everything else, everyone, somewhere, anywhere in this world or in my YouTube friends and followers. Anyways, thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing my channel. I hope you never waste your time to watch this video because this is new updates about what is the new toys collection in McDonald's. So I'm gonna show you right now the collection and the kinds of toys that we have. Too much. So I'm going now to choose to select this, and of course, I'm gonna show you them all. So one by one. So let's go. Ta-da! This is the first item I'm gonna show you. Ta-da! So cute. Ow! Next. Ta-da! Wow, cute. Next. Next is the purple one. Wow, so cute. Next, strawberry. Next, oh, what is this? A meow meow meow. A meow meow meow. So let's gonna continue, guys, for today's next episode. So the next is wow, so cute. What is the name? Lindsay. Lindsay, you're gonna put here Lindsay. Next, next is let's find out name Deborah. Deborah, gonna put here Deborah. Deborah is there. Next, we're gonna put also home. Oh, he's so cute also. Gordon. Oh, the Gordon in Philippines. Where is Gordon right now? Gordon, where are you? Next, not you, but oh, so cute. Nyan, nya, 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 nya. And next is oh, so cute also Barilla. The Barilla. Barilla gonna put here. You're gonna be here, Barilla. Yes, and let's go for the next step. So let's go, guys. Ta-da! The next is Zayo. Zayo. Meow. So cute, Zayo. Let's go, guys. Let's move. Wow. Ta-da! Maple. Maple gonna be here. Stay there, Maple. And next is say present. Next is Charan. Clutch. Clutch is present. She's gonna stay there, Clutch. So next, make column two. Next is Dolan. Dolan is here. He's around. He's coming around. Not yet around. No, he's around. Right, coming right now. Benny is present. Wow, they are complete now. So these are the complete collection